You've already fired most of them because they did a good job.
Some people don't do a good job. With you,
Go ahead. Wait a minute. You get the final word, Mr.
Well, it's hard to get any word in with this clown.
Baby, stop.
Piper, throw up for me. Throw up. You can do it. You can do it. You can do. Yeah, that's right.
Baby, you hungry? Say yeah. You're really about to.
Which way did he go, George? Which way did he go?
That way.
Well, gee, thanks a lot, George. Thanks a lot.
No.
What did you just say?
Give her some space. I get that you I get you love her, but she needs space.
I love you. Now you set my soul on fire.
That's suspicious.
If somebody say something I don't like, slap. If somebody look at me a way I don't like, slap. Somebody breathe too hard around me, slap, slap.
My cat is panting like a dog right now. Like a dog? Oh my God!
Everyone just has like a bowl of cats on their dining room table, right? Like, you all have one of these, right?
Oh my God. I can't calm down.
Can I see it? Why did you print this?
Hello? Hi.
Thank you so much.
Oh. Oh my God.
Deciding whether it's worth the trouble, whether you know you got a lot going on, you're busy, about lines maybe, and I couldn't tell you just how much.
Zig. Hey, Ziggy. Why'd you poop on the floor? You're not in trouble, I'm just...
We're taking the cats to the vet in the morning, and they gave me some calming pills to give them tonight and tomorrow morning.
Hey, bud. You good?
Hey, little buddy.
He's a year old and he's still sucking his thumb. I've never had a cat do this before in my life. But will he ever grow out of it? I don't know. Do I care? No.
New challenge. Aggressively sniff your animal and see what they do.
Guys, look how cute my cat is. Jello, say hi. Jello. Jello.
Winnie.
What have I accomplished during COVID quarantine, you ask? Did you just say mama? Are you saying mama? Oh my god! Did you get it out?
Poor lady.
بعتذر من سماكة